Boom, 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 boom! What's happening, mga kapuso? You know what I'm saying? Tayo ngayon, we're in Barstow, California. Kakain lang natin sa Black Bear Diner. California tayo ngayon. Oh my god, ang haba na ng buhok ko ah. This is first in the haircut. Anyway, you know, it's always fascinating to come here in California. And the famous pangalan nito, Little Sisters truck wash. Yeah, it's a famous one here, Barstow. Right there, located in the city of Barstow. Ang napafascinate talaga ako every time I come over here kasi mayroon yung truck wash nila dito. You know, they got all these nice trucks, man. Fucking A, dude. Let's start with the 567 Peterbilt from Allied. That's 567 right here, peaked. Yeah. This one has the 100 plus bed cab. Fucking nice truck. This guy's hauling cars. Naghuhulto ng cars. Kotse, expensive ones. It says specialized automobile transportation, reliable carriers, yo. And, so that's a 567. And then we're gonna go with the RGN. Look at that, all fucking nice, polished from Little Sisters. RGN trailer. That's a 389 here. Pete 389. Must be a, let me see, what year is this? 22 maybe. This truck. What's up, Rod? Yeah. Muntik na tayo nagkaroon nito. Na. This is the older 589. Then we got Ren Transportation. Ren is always shining. Ren is always shining. You go, Ren Transportation. Ducky. Where you at, Ducky? Come on, Ducky. Go over the road, Duck. Go over the road. And transportation. Let's see what he's hauling. That's a legendary. Oh, he has no placards. Huh? Must be a new trailer. Yeah. No placards yet. He has 4 compartments. Yeah, I wonder what they're gonna haul this with. But yeah, this is Ren. This is the legendary 389, they call it. Legendary 389. My boy Doug drives with that shit. Then we got the legendary Kenworth. There you go. This is my favorite. We have a blue one like this. Blue. This guy is listening with Mercer. Nice. Oh, he got his. Oh, he still got his shit. Polished. My favorite right here. From all of the classic, you gotta stay Kenworth because it's Kenworth it. Yeah. Kenworth. Then we got Mano Alex favorite, or one of Mano Alex Vin Lewis truck. There you go. It's Western Star. Freightliner Western Star. Mano Alex. Yeah. So that's the blue one there is the legendary, and This is the classic Pete. Beautiful. Looking nice, man. This guy got it rigged out. Even these trailers. Nice truck! Wow. Bad trailer niya. So anyway, yan ang classic na 389. But this is new, bago to. I know, kasi may APU siya. And this is the legendary Freightliner FLDs. These are the FLs, man. Beautiful truck. Fucking took care of it. Look at that. Fucking A. Even straight. Freaking A. Nice. It's time to shine. It's summertime. That's what they say. I like that phrase. It's time to shine because it's summertime. Yeah. Our truck is Freightliner. Yung truck natin is nandun. Nagpark tayo sa sa Loves. TA to eh. We're TX. Need a truck wash. Yung bago ng truck ko, kasi 2022 yung truck ko. Ito naman ang 2023. Ito. Yan. Bago ng truck ko. Iba yung hood niya. Yung hood, harap, and yung especially the lights. Headlight. Pero sa side, parehas pa rin. Pati side mirror, side. Ito lang sa harap nagpalit. Truck ko mas round siya. Kasi ano siya, 2022. So, choose. Kung ikaw magpili, anong gusto mo? Yung brown or gray, what color that is, I don't know. Or the legendary Peterbilt or the Kenworth. You know? Ako, kung ako pagpiliin, gusto pagpilian yung isa. There you go. That blue one is the legendary Pete, and this is the classic Pete. That's the W900 over there, Kenworth. And this is 567 Peterbilt also. The blue one next to the black one is a 589 Pete. And these are the Camel Jug's favorite trucks, Freightliners, and Asian people. And they got the legendary and the Freightliner FLs and the Kenworth 680 brand new. Kung ako, I like the W9. First of all, mas malaki ang loob niya. Mas marami kang sunroof. Yung blue sa akin na W9. Meron siyang kasi yung mga Kenworth, meron kang dalawang pagpilian. Either you want the cab, yung pagtulugan niya na higaan with the bunk bed, or you want the couch, may sopa siya sa baba, tapos yung sa taas ay tulugan. Ito pa yung isang maganda para sa akin lang, Kenworth akong gusto ko, W900 L, or either without the L. Look at that, another 389. Woo-wee! Fuck, it's just coming out of the truck wash. Yeah. God, Lord. Look at that. Nice. Look at that shit. Maganda. Bagong truck wash. Bagong wash. Maganda talaga. There's my other one there. Yeah, they're fucking cleaning it. Let me talk to the man right here. Ito ata yung niya. Yung may-ari. Woo-wee! Nice.
Piece of shit.
Why?
Piece of shit.
What's wrong with it?
He's polished.
It's polished. Needs some polish.
It needs polish.
After polish, oh, is it gonna be a good truck?
No, it won't be a Peterbilt.
Still
be a Kenworth.
Is that yours?
Yeah.
Nice. What year is it?
19.
19, huh?
I was going to get it polished. He told me it'd be tomorrow afternoon.
Okay.
Do it. I said, nah.
What's your trailer?
Sitting over there.
What are you hauling?
I've got a haul medical equipment.
Okay.
CT machines, MRIs, nuclear cameras.
Nuclear cameras?
Yeah. You go in the hospital, sometimes they put this stuff in your
Oh,
arteries.
that kind of nuclear. I thought we were talking about fucking
I haul that too. We do haul some government shit.
Yeah. You know what you do? You know what you do when you're done? You get done polish, you park it right next to these big boys over here.
No, I go to work.
You go to work? You got shit on your head.
Yeah. Can't remember shit today.
And you're driving the classic.
Can't remember shit today.
Can't remember shit today. That's what it.
Who do you work for?
I can't remember. There you go. You gotta look at it. This the man that owned this guy right here. Yeah. I'm gonna go walk around real quick. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, nice. Get the X15 engine. Cummins. This one has the couch. Yeah. He has the mayroon siyang couch sa loob. Yeah, they call it the studio sleeper for Kenworth. Yeah. This is it. Oh, he just got it fucking yeah. Hey. How are you, sir? All right, all right. Yeah, you got the X15 Cummins in there. How you like that Cummins in that beast?
Best Cummins I've had.
Yeah.
I was a cat man all my life.
Yeah, I know. I wish they make them, but you know, when did they stop building it? Was it 07? I think it was 08, something like that.
That one there's got 520,000 miles on it.
Okay.
And it's never been to the shop.
Never been to the shop, so it's a good engine then.
Other than, I mean, I take it in, they run the overhead.
Yeah.
And I had to put a turbo on it. But other than that, the motors never gave me any problems.
No other mechanical issues?
I hope the son of a bitch don't give me no problems.
I don't run.
I won't be able to afford to pay for a truck wash again.
Which, just remember who you work for. So. Yeah, that's
but
what's
if
up.
you look, it doesn't say that on my truck, my trailer.
How much you pay for this thing?
$165,000.
Before pandemic.
And before pandemic.
Yeah.
And right after the pandemic hit, if you went and bought it, it was $265,000.
Yeah, I know.
And now it's about $300,000.
I know it is. With that mileage you got in there still? Shit.
I owe $60,000 on it.
That's it?
Yeah.
I'll give you $60,000. Give me the truck.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You do that?
Yeah. I'm fucking tired.
Tired, huh?
I want to be retired.
Shit. Yeah.
My wife might not let you have it.
I gotta fight for it through the wife, huh?
Yeah, because see, if you give me $60,000, I give you the truck, she's stuck with me.
Alright, well, maybe you have to talk about something else.
Yeah, I have to have some kind of deal there. I owed 45 on it.
Okay.
Now I owe 60.
Alright. That's cool.
I had a year left to pay on it, now I have 3. I had a $3,200 a month truck payment.
Yeah.
I wanted to get it down, so I got down to $1,800 by refinancing.
Nice.
And
yeah.
I got to work somewhere. Might as well drive that one.
Exactly. No, that's a nice truck. That's a trucker's dream right there. You know.
It's my 49th year driving.
I'm
ready to retire.
That's it, huh? How long has it been?
This is my 49th year.
49th years.
Next month will be 49.
I'm talking to a legendary person. What's your name, sir?
Hey, I'm a fucking legend.
Yeah, legendary trucker, 49 motherfucking years.
Yeah, you want to know what my wife calls me?
Huh.
Asshole.
I'm getting there.
That's what
Yeah.
I answer to, assholes.
I'm getting there, man. Pushing fucking freight back in '98.
Yeah.
you got 20 more years. I got 20 plus in yours.
Yeah,
But
man.
hey, look, when I reach your age, I'll be just right there with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lord, I'll be in my grave.
Yeah, well, a lot of these old timers, when I tell them how long I've been, I tell them this and that. They go, oh man, yeah, but when I reach your age, I'll probably be doing it longer than you have.
You know, I want to tell you something. That's exactly true.
There you go. You know that.
Absolute truth.
He said absolutely true.
Yeah.
What my t-shirt said.
Yeah, absolutely true. 'Cause I believe I asked her first.
That's it. Look at that, beautiful. You got the studio sleeper, right? The couch and everything on the bottom? Yeah, it's got the couch, just like yung Blue Nothing. Look at that. Fucking nice, dude. Pag ano, nasa loob ka, kung ano yung nakikita mo sa harap, yan ding nakikita mo sa loob. That's how Kenworth built their shit. When you look, pag tinignan mo sa Kenworth built their truck, because I've been driving Kenworth ng matagal na for a long time. So Kenworth does is, when they built the truck, the dashboard in front of you were the gauges. If you center the dashboard, you're in the middle of the lane. You can't go anywhere else. You're right in the middle of the lane. That's how Kenworth does their stuff. Even back in the days, the older ones, the 680s, you know, the dashboard, they have that dashboard thing. That's what Kenworth does. That's one thing I like about Kenworth. And I've driven 389s, the Peterbilts. Their switches is so far. It's not meant for short guys. But Kenworth, shit, they don't discriminate. Short guy to tall guy, you can reach switches into fucking inside of freaking Kenworth. That's one thing I love about Kenworth. But you know what I'm saying? I gotta go. You know what I'm saying? I'll talk to y'all later then.